Bluetooth-enabled fingerprint and touchscreen smart lever lock, designed to be real key. Lock with amazing capabilities.
The world's most advanced smart lock just got even better. Combining suggestions from all of our customers, we've taken the smart lock to the next level. This is the new Lockly Vision. From a brighter digital touchscreen that displays the world's most secure shuffling keypad to the modern zinc alloy enclosure that elevates your front door, the innovation does not stop there. We've added ultra-wide angle lens to our lock to give you the world's first all-in-one smart lock and video doorbell, combining what is normally two devices into one. From the push of a button, instantly get notified on your phone who's at the door. Remotely lock and unlock from your iOS or Android app, or even communicate with the guest when you're not there from anywhere in the world. Our latest power managing system allows your lock to last up to 12 months and even stores videos on our Smart Hub to be accessed from the cloud anywhere in the world. With the Pin Genie touchscreen, know your keypad is secure from prying eyes. While the location of the numbers are different every time it's displayed, your code doesn't change, making it hard for others to guess the correct code before being locked out. Besides the keypad, unlock your door with your fingerprint, voice, smartphone, and even a physical key. Installation takes just a few minutes and is compatible with right and left swing doors.
And food. Now they're home. But Sam forgot something. Keymitt is a smart lock, which allows you to open your door with your smartphone. With Keymitt, you can be sure that it fits. We designed it to work with the most common door locks in the US, Europe, and Japan, and it's very simple to install. It's easy. Install our app and lock or unlock your door using your smartphone. You can also share access, see the history of entries, set alarms for unwanted activity, and more using the app. It's convenient to set the door to unlock using our gesture control feature, and to lock automatically when you are leaving the house. You can also control the lock remotely with the optional Wi-Fi hub. Just place it anywhere within the Bluetooth range of the smart lock. And finally, it's high quality. Made in Germany, we offer the strongest turning force of any smart lock and double the battery life. We are here for you. We stand behind the product 100% and will do whatever it takes. Sure, you are satisfied.
For me and my family. I get low battery notifications, and if the battery dies, I can use a power bank or a regular key. The U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi has made our lives easier and has given us peace of mind. It was a great decision to upgrade from our regular lock.